Is she going for a wee? That was a very nice burnout, wasn't it? Hey guys, Brad here again. The sun's shining in my eyes, but I'd rather it shine in my eyes than your eyes. And today we're just fucking... I'm gonna put some bits on the Wuyang. No, it's not because we're friends again or anything like that, or I like the person again or something. It's just because it's content. Simple as. And we're just gonna talk a bit more about this thing. That's it. It's my little baby, even though it's not even mine. Technically, I'm the one that's paying for it. I'm the one that's doing all the work on it. Technically it's mine, but it's not mine at all, is it? Let's be real. It's fucking hers, isn't it? It's what all blokes do. It's called love, people. Love. My love for motorcycles. So I'm just gonna go put a nice thin jacket on or something, just something to cover my arms, because even though it's sunny as fuck, it's pretty windy. Look at the sun. It's pretty bright. Yeah, the wind's quite nippy. So basically what I'm doing is got the Wuyang, just gonna basically put the engine back together and stuff, get it all on there properly, but there's a reason I didn't put the engine together, and we'll go look at that now. Right, so here's the bag full of the Wuyang parts, and fucking this is why I haven't put it back together. So basically that's one collet that was already on there and stuff. Then I've got some collets fitted on the other side, and they are on, they're sealing, they're holding tight, but they're clearly wrong. They're clearly not the right collets, yeah? But it's holding it. So it's up to him whether he runs it like this or not, right? But for now, I'm just gonna rebuild the engine like it. The engine will run like it. How long it will last, I do not know. Whether it'll be 1 mile, or it'll be 100 miles, or 1,000 miles, I don't know. It could last forever like that, but nice fart there, but I don't know. Yeah, just gonna get everything out of the bag, strip this shit back down again, and yeah, I think someone's got an itchy back. Oh no, he's not, he's eating the fucking bugs. What are you eating? What bug are you eating? You okay there, son? Right, so basically, got that shit back off, and you can see the studs come sort of that far away from the frame, and that means that in order to put this engine together, I have to drop it back out again, which is fucking long, and I'm wearing my nice trackies, which aren't that nice at the moment, but you know, so I'm gonna have to try and nicely do that, put it back together, and yeah, I'm just gonna reuse the old head gasket, put a bit of seal around it, hope for the best. It'll be alright. Yeah, fuck it. If it was like a customer's bike or something, it would be alright, but honestly, I just want this bike out of my garden, and the quickest way to do that is to make it ride, so I can just, do you know what I mean, get rid of it like that. So yeah. Right, so I've just take the engine out, put it back in. Took me, I think it's literally been about 15 minutes since I started recording the time lapse. I'm pretty sure it's been that quick. So I literally just whacked it all together because I just don't really care. Just, what are you doing, boy? Put it all together as quick as possible. But I was going to show you this quick. That is how it come. I've got the bit of the frame here, and I'm going to put it back as it was normal. The guy does know about it. I ain't just going to like put his life at risk. Do you know what I mean? He knows about everything I'm doing right now. But yeah, the frame just come away when I took the engine out the first time. Crazy shit, innit? Proper crazy shit. Yeah, everything's actually gone together really smoothly. Even though I didn't really care, there's nothing really wrong. Like, if it was a normal engine, this would be a complete running engine if there wasn't that one bit missing. Well, not missing, but not right up there, you know? It would be a complete 100% engine. So fair play, to be fair. Not bad. You'd never even know the frame wasn't even fucking connected, would you? If it gets it for an MOT, it gets it for an MOT, doesn't it? Gonna fucking sort all this dodgy shit out as well whilst I'm here. Do you know what I mean? Even though he's gonna have to do some engine work when he gets the bike and that, fucking, at least some other shit will be done, at least. Get all this shit off. Fuck off, bro. Get it off. Get it off of there. Don't want this shit. If you put that on my motorbike, I'll fucking set it on fire, bro. Fuck that. Fuck having scrap like that on a bike. Fuck off, just block that up. Don't need to rejet anything then. You'll be alright. Fuck that. The engine's completely mounted in now. All the top, every mount's done up hard apart from that one. I'm just gonna whack the foot pegs on it because it just makes it a bit easier. Actually, yeah, I am. No, I'm not gonna put the foot pegs on it because they're fucking solid ones. They'll take my shins out every time I walk past the cunt. So I ain't doing that. I'm just gonna tuck the wire in and that, plug everything that I can see in. If not, I don't care. And then I'm gonna chuck the tank and seat back on and that'll be it, because at least that's a lot more put together than it was, you know? So, yeah, fuck it. Sweet. Also, Lauren's here. No, he's not allowed in the shed. So. Fern, get out now! Come on, get out. Get out! Fern! Dumb cunt. Aren't you? Aren't you? You dumb cunt! You dumb cunt! Love you, boy. What I'm going to do quick is I'm going to put the battery, right, take the door up here and we're going to see what it sounds like turning over. See if it sounds healthy or not. I was under the impression this battery was charged. I may have been wrong. Ooh, that cloud got very hot. So fucking got that shit back on. I'm done now. I'm gonna put all that back in a bag. Yeah, fuck it. That's how we'll get it. The engine's put together a bit more sturdy. I don't really care. Yeah, that'll do. Fuck it. Then my plate's a bit. Oh well. Peak. Peak. He loves his little balls. He's so funny. Aren't you, boy? You're so funny. So fucking Wuyang's over there. We're just having a glass of juice and that quick. Just chilling for a minute. Put everything back how it is, as I've just told you and just shown you. Got to do some shit to this next. Start putting stuff back together on that. Maybe carry on with the seat if I can be bothered. Depends how I feel. But look at all my plants. Look how well all my plants are doing. Pretty sick, isn't they? Probably not. Get that ball away from me. Silly boy. Right, so basically, because these left-hand switches here, them ones, are fuckeries. New ones are on the way. I'm just gonna get the old ones out and ready, because I'm probably gonna have to cut and put wires together to make them long enough, as these ones are extremely long, and any other ones, any other bike or universal ones probably won't be that long. So they're gonna have to be fucking cut and put together. So just going to get it ready for that, and then as soon as the new ones arrive, which are fast and free, I'll be able to whack them on. Yeah, see what we can do now. Switches are off. Fucking kick them out, don't want them. But another thing I've just quickly done is the speedo cable is just proper sticking out. So what I've done is I just bent the bracket, done a little triangle shape with some more grips. Now it's a bit more, just not as sticking out now. Sweet. Might bend it in a little bit more, but not too much. Probably though, just a little bit more. Yeah. I did end up bending it in more. Now it looks like that. Everything is a lot more neater though, so 10 out of 10, I think. What more to do on this thing for the rest of the day? I don't even know. Might just leave it for the rest of the day now. Gotta wait for the switches to turn up, so I might just do that in another video. I've already done some shit this video anyway, so might just end up leaving it as that. Spend a nice day in the sun, kind of thing, you know. Pretty bright. Nice blue skies, not a cloud sight, rare sight in England, isn't it? And look at that. Funny, funny clutch. It works, eh? Whap, whap, whap. Right, so tell me this doesn't need a quick action throttle. Watch how much it goes back, yeah? Right, that's the slack, right? That's how it's supposed to be. Ready? That is a lot of throttle movement. What do you think? Quick action throttle? No quick action throttle? I'm thinking so, but maybe not. It's only because it's got the bigger carb on it, 30mm. The slider has to go up further. Yeah. Sick, dude. Just hope you enjoyed everything. I am done now. Fuck all the bikes and that. Can't go off to work or anything. I'll see you in the next one. Sweet. So we're at Kids Park, which is attracting the little kids. Oh, it's a fucking at Edging Valley, having a good old time. Rich is trying to play some music.
I know it.